So on behalf of the United States, it is my great honor to be here at this closing of a painful chapter in our history. The bell's return reflects the strong bonds and mutual respect between our two nations and our peoples. It demonstrates our determination to honor the past and the sacrifices made together by Filipinos and Americans.
It's time for healing. It is time for closure. It is time to look ahead as two nations should, with shared history and as allies. The bells of Balangiga will once again peal. They will still remind the people of Balangiga of what happened in the town square more than a century ago. But you would also look at that history with more understanding and acceptance.
It's just a question of, we're just lucky that more than ever, this is a symbol of the kind of relationship that we have with the United States. It's an evolving relationship. I would like to call it a maturing relationship, because we're now at a stage where we, both countries, would like to have mutual respect of our own sovereignty.